Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a morning vlog because I've never done one before and we have to go and run some errands. So I'm gonna go to the doctor's first. I got to get the bus, so I'm just leaving my house now so we can do that. It looks warm and sunny, but it's actually freezing. And I put on a rain jacket because I thought it was gonna rain, and I don't think it's gonna rain. It's sunny, but cold. So I'm at the bus stop now. I'm just waiting. Hopefully it comes soon because I'm cold. But on the plus side, you can definitely tell it's fall out here because all the leaves are starting to change colors. So I killed a half an hour having breakfast, but I still have half an hour to kill. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some things for a video coming soon, as well as some stuff for dinner tonight. And hopefully that kills another 20 minutes. So I'm all done at the doctor's. I'm gonna go and do a little grocery shopping now. I think it wouldn't be so hard to find an empty aisle to film in, but it's so crowded at 10 in the morning on a Wednesday. But I'm done, so let's just head out. It's funny because I love vlogging, I just am so awkward about it. And I hate when people like watch me vlog. I just realized I left my reusable bags at home. Great. I always forget them, although I do need another one, so I'll just buy one. So I totally forgot to get sour cream, so I guess we have to go back. Okay guys, so I'm back home now, finally, out of the cold. I am going to put away the groceries, and I think we'll actually just wrap up there. This is going to be a very short vlog. I can already feel it, I know it. But I do want to show you guys what I got grocery shopping. So some red kidney beans, some sour cream, some pork, a lasagna, some Kaisers, some ginger, an orange, some cinnamon sticks, and some chicken wings. And yeah guys, honestly, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this morning vlog. I know it's really short and it's just like a little tidbit of my day. But I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, let me know and I can always make some more of these types of like morning or in the life or day vlogs, because they're super simple. So make sure to let me know that you liked it by hitting the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload, and until next time guys, bye!